After your initial setup, you might actually want to fold the dust door up with the mag strips left in the pocket so that when you go to unfold it and set it back up, it's really quick to unfold and snaps right to your third hands. When you go to fold it up, the most important thing is you not bend the long mag strips. You can fold only along the kinks where the ceramic magnets are. So if you want to fold it, you can start by folding at the bottom, fold one section up to that kink, do a triangle, and then fold another section up to the kink, and then you want to go up to the top end. You want to fold it down, once again finding that kink spot, and then you're going to fold straight across the triangle, and then you should be able to fold it into two triangles and roll it. There's a couple ways this will work, so you don't have to copy this exactly, but this is a good guideline. After your initial setup, if you're planning to fold it this way, you are going to want to play around with the polarity of which way the mag strips are put in the pockets so that they snap together nicely for you when folding. Once you get them set up just right though, should be really easy to fold and unfold, leaving them in always, and save you a good amount of time. So as you can see here, you're going to want to take them out and flip them around until you get them to fold across and stick to each other, and then stick to each other as you fold down the length of the door like you see here.